Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you how to log into your Mycelium wallet on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Mycelium wallet, first make sure that you have downloaded the Mycelium application for your mobile device, and once you have it, you can give it a tap to open. The first interface of Mycelium wallet will look like this. In order to create a new wallet, you can click on the new wallet button and start with the wallet creation process. If you already have an account and you'd like to restore it from the backup, then tap on restore from backup option. You'll need to type in your master seed that you previously backed up for Mycelium, so go ahead and type it in the text box. Make sure to type in your master seed separated by spaces in the correct order. Once you type in your master seed and if it is correct, you'll be able to see a level that says master seed is correct. You can now tap on the next button and you'll be able to log into your Mycelium wallet. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.